I actually played, if I may, I don't. Maybe I need your advice on this. I thought, and I told myself I won't do it, and then a friend of mine said, and a couple of friends, and both of them are previous guests in this podcast, told me I definitely need to do it, which is, connect. So I already have for the chess arm that I built. This computer vision on the chessboard is able to extract from vision, the way you do optical character recognition, extract the board. So I was going to just build that cheating system to demonstrate it with the reason I thought it was interesting. So something we didn't mention is, I don't know who started this rumor, but the rumor started that it might have been like anal beads. I don't know who started this, but I do know that Elon magnified it.
My username was dead center in that thing that he retweeted, which was hilarious to me.
You're using what do you mean?
Like for tweet. He retweeted the clip, but also the copy pasta, like the paragraph that was like describing the whole anal beads theory, and dead center in the middle of that paragraph is, as GothamChess says. And the worst part about it was I was literally tagged. So it was as user/GothamChess says. So every time that paragraph gets posted on Reddit, I get tagged. It's getting posted a lot. So yes, but yes, he tweeted.
And then there's also the funny thing, which I really love, the weirdest, most entertaining thing. Was that part of the same thing where, plot twist? Magnus has been using anal beads this whole time. Yeah. That's how he got.
Yes.
I love that so much. Okay, but anyway, there's a. I quickly realized that there is. I have to admit that I know not much about sex toys, and then I quickly realized that there's a lot of sex toys that have Bluetooth capability that you can interact with. So it's very easy to connect stockfish to sex toys.
Actually, wow.
Actually, yes. So apparently that's a popular thing. Like a lot of sex toys are Bluetooth enabled, so you can communicate with them. So this is actually pretty trivial to do. Not trivial, but then in fact there's several libraries. One of them is really active, called, now this is on GitHub, friends. It's in Rust, but I think there's Python wrappers. It's called Buttplug. Is the name of the library that communicates with it supports a bunch of different devices, a bunch of different like vibrators and all that kind of stuff. But then I looked at the kind of vibrators it supports, and they're all like creepy looking. I mean, like it doesn't have I don't know. It felt too dirty, you know. Like there's a line, I was like, is this not gonna? Because the reason I like that kind of stuff is I like the joke of it that ultimately is somehow educational. Because to me, I really care about AI, and this is a cool little project to do. It's super easy to share. But I was thinking about doing it. At first, I said no. It kind of feels dirty, but then the aforementioned friend said no. You should definitely do it. I like the
who's your test subject?
No, we wouldn't test it. You're just on the table. Well, I'm sure that people would sign up, right? I just meant on the table, like show the vibration, like you're basically converting. Now it's not. I'm not obviously a grandmaster, so you have to say everything. I feel like
no, you don't. You could say the square. You don't have to say the piece. The human will fill in the gap.
No, a good human chess player. I can't.
Oh.
That's that's the point I wanted to make, is like, for me, I would like to know the actual move I need to make.
Yeah.
So I need the full information.
Right.
So I have to convert the bishop c5, whatever, to Morse code, which is a lot of vibration.
Yes, exactly.
But it still works. It's hilarious and fun. So I was thinking about doing it, but because it's pretty easy to do. It would be just like a fun exercise. I love a mix of technical rigor and humor.
Well, this is the perfect project for that.
Right, exactly.
Yeah, this was born, I think, out of a user comment in a Twitch stream. So I thought it was born on Reddit, this theory, but I think Eric Hansen was streaming, Chasbra, And someone in his chat made that joke, and he read it out loud. That was the first time it was read out loud. And then somebody clipped it, and it became international news. Like, have you followed how big the traction got on this anal beads thing?
No.
It was covered by every major news network, late night talk show, Trevor Noah, Stephen Colbert.
No.
International news in countries like China, where I would have never thought that they would report about anal beads.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
What was the tonality of it? Was it seen as a joke? Or did they say there's a cheating scandal?
I think
How do you even mention anal beads?
Literally anal beads. Like
accused,
accused, denies cheating with anal beads, which he never did. He never denied cheating with anal beads. It was a joke internet theory.
If I was him, I would lean into it.
Yeah, I can't imagine, man. Like I don't know what the right thing for him to do is, but it's.
Are you not touching this one?
I've talked about it. I don't say the words anal beads in my YouTube videos, but I'll say beads. The thing is,
do you think I should do the code thing? It's like a tutorial.
Sure, yeah, I think it would be hilarious if you find a way to do it. Yeah, you can show that it is possible to theoretically vibrate via Bluetooth chess moves, and if someone shoves it up their ass, what? That was another joke. Okay, they offered you to play naked. They're gonna make you spread your cheeks.
Yeah, right. I didn't understand why naked solved the problem. I think it doesn't have to be naked. I don't think naked is enough.